Guys, I've been cooking this cow foot for 4 hours, not on the stove top, in the pressure pot. Just said the cow foot tough. It's tough. Oh my god. Guys, I'm making some cow foot. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a little vegetable oil. I put some vegetable oil in the pot. Guys, once the oil hot, we're gonna put a spoon of sugar. Don't worry about the amount of sugar, right? It's how long you burn it for that matters. So I'm going in with a spoon of brown sugar, and we're gonna let that caramelize slow and steady. So while this is doing its thing, I'm going to tell you what I season the cow foot with. Whoa, the peas are all over. If you want a live video, it's on my YouTube channel, or you can just season it or you like it. But I season it with green season, paprika, turmeric, and Maggi chicken all-purpose jerk seasoning. So that's green seasoning, paprika, turmeric, okay, garlic powder. Just remember, Maggi all-purpose jerk and chicken seasoning. That's it. So we're gonna take time and watch the sugar do its thing. You can't rush it, because if you burn it too long, it's gonna get bitter. So slow and steady. Turn on the stove, stand up over your pot, and watch the sugar do its thing. Alright, so we'll watch it. It happens to over the things along. Supposed to start boring, but patience is the key. I'll put it a little closer. Okay. So it starts change color. Turn it up. Alright, so I'm going to stir this because one side changing for the other. You can put the meat in at this point, but I'm going to wait a little longer. It's better to put it in early than too late. So if you're not a pro at this, you can put it in at this point, but I'm going to wait out a little more. All right, let me see the bubbles are going with itself now. Then I'm gonna add I normally wait for like a minute before I start turning it. So you still have it on low heat, let it sit for at least a minute, and then you're going to start turning. Take about a minute now. I'm going to turn. let it sit again. Turn. So you're gonna turn occasionally. Watch the pot so you don't want it burn. Also keep it on low. Occasionally turn it until all the meat touch a nice brown color before you add any liquid to the pot. So guys, once the meat reach the color where you like, because I love this, then never put some water in this, some boiling water at that. And we're not gonna put too much, just a little bit of water. Then we're gonna cover that and let it do its thing. It's still on low heat, guys. Occasionally we're going to check on it to make sure that we still have liquid in the pot, because we don't want it dry out, because if the water dry out, it's gonna burn. So occasionally check on it. That's why we keep it on low, so you can have time for move around, come back, check. If it needs water, add a little more. So you just occasionally check on it and add a little water if it needs it. I'm going to see what I'm going with the cow foot now. Now we can add it to the pressure pot. Now we can put it behind the AdWord, Lord of God. So I grab the pressure pot and finish it off in our pressure pot. So I'm going to transfer cow foot. We rinse the pot, rinse the season from the pot, and then, oops. We'll put this in our pressure pot. Guys, 2:51, 9 minutes to 3. I'm still in our kitchen. I pressure cow foot. I pressure the cow foot for over 2 hours. I'm at 45 minutes again. Let me see what I got. If I open it and it no pressure, I'm done. I'm just gonna eat whatever I have. I left the cow foot alone because something right. Right, allow this to go down some more before I add the bean and taste it, and if it need any more season, we'll go ahead and add that also. It was worth it. Guys, you don't need ketchup in your cow foot. You don't need ketchup. You're not going to believe me, but once you add ketchup to this, it's gonna change the taste completely. You don't need ketchup in your cow foot.